birthday! It's been a while since the last time I saw you, and grabe ngayon, you're celebrating your 21st birthday. And I'm just so proud of the man that you have become. I'm watching you from afar, watching your Facebook and from your mom. And grabe, you're super talented, very kind-hearted. Continue to be a good son, a good brother. And may your dreams do come true. I just wish you all the best success and dream bigger dreams. I love you. I hope to see you soon. Let's catch up, please. God bless. Ninang loves you. Ciao.
Barik na tayo, pare. Sige sa pasukan, pare. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Sabi. Pre, happy birthday, pre. Sorry, hindi ako nakapunta. Nasa outer space ako. Pero, binabati kita. Sana mabuhay ka ng matagal. See you sa pasukan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, friends. Ang wish ko, sana matupad mo lahat yung dream mo sa buhay. Ikaw ay isang mabuting anak sa iyong mga magulang, and always put God into your heart. God bless and enjoy your day with your friends and family. Love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Prince. I'm wishing you good health. And salamat sa Diyos sa pag-iingat niya sa iyo ng isa pang taon, at naway ikay kanyang ingatan muli sa araw-araw na siyang muling lipas. Sana maging successful ka sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin. And yun, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Prince. May God give you long life and good health. I love you and I miss you. Take care. Enjoy your birthday. Love you.
Happy Pisingot Day! So, alam naman natin, magpipinsa, na hindi talaga natin branding yung pagiging serious sa pagbabate. Pero, I am genuinely praying na lahat ng pinapangarap mo and everything that you're working hard is makontribute do sa dreams na nire-reach mo for yourself. I hope rin in your silent battles, may mga sunshine na darating sa'yo kasi yung humor mo bentang-benta sa amin. So, you always light up our day, especially sa mga kakulitan mo, mga sinasend mo sa amin. And I thank God for giving you us. As your ate, I will always be here for you. Kahit alam ko nagpapalaki ka na ng mga muscles ngayon, you'll always be our Kolotsky na baby. Happy birthday ulit! I love and miss you so much.
Okay. Prince, happy birthday pala sa darating na June 15 na. 21 years old ka na. Ay ganun. Dibo para sa lalaki. Ikaw, salamat sa Diyos at lumaki kang mabait na anak. Manatili kang mabait. Maging halimbawa ka sa kapatid mo. Sa ganun magtulungan kayong lahat. Pamilya mo, si Ken, at sa papa mo. Lagi kayong magmahalan. Yun ang mahalaga. At happy birthday at salamat sa Diyos at lumaki kang mabait na anak. Lalo-lalo na sa mama mo at sa papa mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Prince! Salamat sa Diyos sa isang taon na lumipas na pinagkaloob niya ulit sa iyo. Anak, gusto kong malaman mo kung gaano ko kasaya na narating mo ang edad na 21 years old, still single, but always ready to mingle. Joke! Anak, gusto kong malaman mo na napaka-special mo para sa aming lahat. Nung pinanganak ka, napakarami mong mommies, napakarami mong daddies, meron kang dadang mahal na mahal ka. Tunay na special ka sa aming lahat, anak. Salamat sa Diyos sa pagkakataon na nakasama kita nang may isip ka na, kasi nung maliit ka pa, malayo ka sa akin. So, totally, hindi ko kilala kung anong klaseng bata ba si Prince. Pero ngayon, na nakasama kita, talagang nakilala ko kung gaano ka ikaw mapagmahal na pamangkin. Talagang maalalahanin at saka sobrang kulit na lagi nagpapasaya kay Mami Cham. Anak, gusto kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. I miss you so much, anak. Napakaswerte mong meron kang mapagmahal na ina na lahat gagawin para sa'yo. Alam ko kung gaano ka kamahal ng mami mo, anak. Kaya lagi kang maging mabuting tao, anak. Unahin mo maging mabuting tao. At sana matapos mo ang iyong pag-aaral. Again, anak. Happy 21st birthday. I love you and miss you so much. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Prince. Love you.
Prince, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Prince. God bless you always. Good health. Enjoy your day, anak. Happy birthday. Love you so much.
Happy 21st birthday, Prince. I wish you all the best, and I'm so proud of everything that you've done and everything that you're doing. May God continue to bless you every single day. I love you and I miss you.
Happy 21st birthday, Prince. I'm so proud of the man that you've become. And I wish you all the best. And just know that I'm always proud of you. And kung ano man yung mga goals mo and kung ano man yung mga ambitions mo, just go for it. Alam mong nasa likod mo lang si Kuya Robby, and I love you so much. Happy birthday!
Hi Prince! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in life. I've heard a lot about you, and ipagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuting anak, kapatid, at as a human person you are. And sana matupad mo lahat yung mga pangarap mo. Enjoy your day and all the best. Hope to see you soon kasi nung maliit ka pa lang nakita kita. Hope I will meet you someday na a grown-up man. So enjoy lang and be the best of whatever you are. Bye! Have a good day!
Happy 21st birthday, Prince. Keep up sa studies mo because you're doing great. Being a good son to your mom and dad is the best thing that you've done. See you around the world soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninong Prince. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! We love you! Enjoy your day! God bless! God bless!
Happy birthday. Sana ay palagi kang malusog ang katawan. Hindi ka makakasakit. Sana ay pagpalain ka ng Panginoong Diyos na ikaw ay makatapos sa iyong pag-aaral. Ang aking masasabi ay mag-aral ng mabuti para makatapos sa pag-aaral. Yun na lang.
Happy birthday, my first grandson, Prince. Truly, you are a Prince Charming. Sa totoo lang na starstruck ako sa'yo, ha. Hindi porke kita talaga. Ang gwapo-gwapo mo pala talaga in person. And how tall really you are. So, I'm here sending you my hugs and my love and all my prayers and all my best wishes for you on your birthday. And I just want to let you know na napaka-blessed namin na nakita ka namin. Lalo na ako, I'm so blessed talaga. Nakita ko kayo ng mami mo, napaka-sweet mo, napaka-loving mo. You're such a natural, adorable, charming young man. And also, you're a very pretty girlfriend. I'm so happy that I got to meet her too. And the best part was the warmest hug that I ever received, honestly, as mamita. So, I can't get over until now yung saya natin sa dinner on my recent visit there. So I just pray that you will continue to be a strong, smart, very determined young man to pursue your dreams and always put God first. Talagang ganon. We really need God kasi siya talaga lang ang ating helper, provider, and everything turns out really for good to those who love Him. And I'm truly a believer of that. Kasi nakita ko sa buhay mo, sa buhay natin, especially sa mami mo na talagang I really admire her strength, her love, and she's just a wonderful woman that I truly admire, and I truly admire her raising you. Napakaganda ng pagpapalaki niya sa'yo. And hopefully one day we get together again by God's grace. And I want you to enjoy your day. I want you to know na mahal ka ng mga pinsan mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Kahit na minsan lang tayo magkita. Pero just want to let you know you are a blessing. You're such a gift. And you're so smart, so adorable. Never forget that God loves you as well. So happy birthday. And we love you so much. Sending you my heart and my prayers. We love you. Thank you for being so kind, very sweet, and giving me the time when I was there recently. And I wish you the best. And congratulations also.
Happy 21st birthday, Prince.
Sa college mo. So enjoy the rest of the day on your birthday. And always remember, God loves you and we all love you. Thank you. Love you so much.